Guys, just to let you know, there's a bird in here.
A bird?
A bird? Yeah, I think it might be a pigeon. How are you so calm about this? Because it's probably just gonna fly out the shop in a minute. I have a phobia of birds, so I need to leave. Yeah, that might not be possible right now. Why not? Because it's right by the exit. Everyone, I just need you to clear the area. Oh my gosh. Okay, time to panic. Everyone to the floor. Where did it go? There it is. Right, everyone to the staff room. There's customers in here. They don't even work here. Is everyone okay? No, I think I'm going into shock. It's okay, guys. It can't get us back here. Why not? Because it doesn't know the code to the staff room. Who left the staff room door open? There it is. It's time to transfer stores. I didn't like working at this one anyway.